last week I was learning on Coursera app and this notification pop up. Saga proposed to Nini. If you say you know, go and check from that banger, he's went to another banger, another banger again. Now so I closed my phone. No. Before I could realize that I'm not on that app again, that's the next morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Odunayo with the channel named the Oduselings, and I welcome you back to this channel. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope this video benefits you in one way or the other. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Please, what are you waiting for? Are you done? Please subscribe now. Don't make me cry. Subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post another video. And for my returning subscribers, you know the vibe already, my real OGs. So in today's video, I'll be discussing the topic online learning and its benefits. After I check my YouTube analytics, I realized that most people who watch my video are between the age range 18 to 24. So, and these people learn a lot. I'm not saying older ages doesn't learn at all, but the people that fall between this age range are active learners. So I'm doing this video more to create awareness on online learning. I'm not saying online learning has not been existing at all, but I'm just making this video to shed more light. You get what I'm saying? So as we all know, the world has shifted to a more digital and online landscape, and education here is not an exception at all. Online learning has become prevalent over the years. Even in the recent events that happened in 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, since that event, the rate at which people learn online is now high, like it's higher than before. So if you're a student or someone looking to learn a skill or to gain a new skill, online learning has become more increasingly a popular option in recent years. So if you are curious about the pros and cons of online learning, look no further, because in this video we'll be discussing the amazing benefits it has to offer. So sit back and relax like me and get ready to learn. So if you enjoy this content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps my channel to grow. Please subscribe to my channel. But wait, should we start with the pros and cons or with the benefits? Okay, I think when we get to know the positive side and the negative side, we get to know the benefits. Alright, let's dive into this video. Okay guys, we're going to be talking about the pros first, and one of the most significant advantage of online learning is its convenience. Like, I mean, you get to access the course materials and the lectures like anywhere, even when you're on vacation. I don't know where you might be, but you get to access the course anywhere and anytime. Amazing, right? This means you can study at your own pace. You can study at your own pace without even worrying about missing classes, falling behind maybe in your class or something, and without all these heartbreaking messages like class by 7 a.m., class by 8 a.m. No. And online learning also provide a flexible schedule that can make you balance your work, your life, or anything you are committed to. So if I want to rate this its convenience, I'll give it a 10 over 10. And the second advantage here is its affordability. Traditional education system can be a little bit, not even a little bit, it is expensive, with the textbooks, with the tuition fees and other materials adding up, while online learning on the other hand can be more cost effective, because most online courses are free, and those that are not free, they are offered at lower cost. For example, like Coursera, most of the courses there, they are not free, they are not free, but they provide option for financial aid. I think Udemy to provide financial option for financial aid. And yes, I've even applied for many courses on Coursera, and my financial aid has been approved. I got certificates, a lot of certificates. I got a certificate too from Udemy. But if you want me to make a video on how to apply for the financial aid on Coursera, let me know in the comment section. You can start applying for courses on Coursera and all those stuff, because when they grant you the financial aid stuff, when you finish your course, it's with free certificate, because why will you learn Why will you study online without a certificate? No, 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 no. So I want you to check all these apps, Coursera, Udemy, Solo Learn is even free for all those techie guys or girls. And you tech me, you can try Solo Learn. A lot. We have a lot of apps that they offer free courses. They offer free courses. So, and affordability, we are still on that. You can even save more money on accommodation because you don't get to rent anywhere, maybe in school, you understand. You get to save money on accommodation, transport, and other things that are associated with you studying in school, going to campus and attending classes. Online courses are much cheaper than the traditional educational courses, and this has a lot of advantage to people that want to learn and are on tight budget. So you should consider studying online. A lot of apps, just search, go to Google and search. Another thing I really like about online learning is that it offers a diverse range of different courses and programs. Like you get to choose from different variety of courses and programs, be it science background, art, be it tech, content creation, digital marketing, and so on. And you get to access top quality instructors and experts from around the world who can share their expertise and knowledge. Hmm. You know, they can't just employ someone and be blabbing on the app now. Now, I've mentioned three advantages of online learning, so let's dive into the disadvantages of online learning. Okay, one of the biggest drawback of online learning is lack of interaction. So, like you get to miss out from the face-to-face interaction with your peers and the network opportunities that the traditional educational system offers. And this can even affect how you build your relationship with your peers, with your teachers, and even with your instructors. And with your social and communication skills. And it may be difficult sometimes to ask questions because you are not in class. It's difficult to ask questions and to even get feedback on your work. And this is frustrating, guys. It's frustrating a lot. So, and another disadvantage is the lack of structure and discipline. You know, here there's not a fixed schedule or routine like the traditional educational system. You know, for each semester, for each section, there's always a schedule. There's not like timetable. I think there's always a schedule. Even for other extracurricular activities in school, there's schedule for it. But here, it is challenging to stay motivated and stay focused because it requires a high level of self-discipline and self-motivation, and which cannot be done by everyone. Which cannot be done. So to stay motivated here is the challenge because there's no one there to hold you accountable for your reading, for your learning, and all that stuff like the traditional educational system. You can still study with your peers, you get to brainstorm a lot of things. So it's difficult to stay motivated and to be disciplined. So that's one of the disadvantages. You can't stay focused like when you are in class, learning, studying, or in your library, anything. So last week I was learning on Coursera app and this notification pop up. Saga proposed to Nini. If you see, shey you no go and check. From that banger, he went to another banger, another banger again. Now so I closed my phone off. Before I could realize that I'm not that app again, na till next morning. So it's difficult to stay motivated. It's difficult to stay motivated. And another disadvantage here is technical issues. Yeah, when you're learning online, a lot of issues, a lot of technical issues may arise, like your network, connectivity, internet, data, and software glitches too. So a lot of technical issues may arise. Okay, despite the drawbacks and downside of online learning, it still offers a lot of numerous benefits. And one of the benefits here is that you can study at your own pace. I mean, it's convenient and it's flexibility schedule. You can learn on your own schedule and you can learn anywhere in the world. Mm. And it also improve your digital literacy skills. Yes, online learning requires a high level of digital literacy skills, which can be beneficial in today's digital age. And you get to access some digital tools like Google Doc, Google Sheet, a lot of that. Because on most of these online studying apps, when they give you an assignment, they will definitely put it there. You must use Google Sheets. If you don't have all those kind app on your phone, you can't do the assignment. they specify for you. You get to download them. And if you are new to all those apps or tools, you wish I want to learn it because you want your certificate, right? You want your certificate. So and another benefit is that you get access to global community of learners. Like you get to connect with students all around the world who share similar interests and passion with you. This can lead to a diverse and inclusive experience of learning where you can learn from other perspectives and experience. Now let's recap. I've talked about the pros and cons of online learning, and now we talk about the benefits of online learning. So guys, if you are considering online learning as an option for you, I want you to take your time to weigh the pros and cons and to also make informed decisions. And if you are already a seasoned online learner, I want you to keep motivating yourself and to also explore the new opportunities to enhance your education, your learning. So we come to the end of the video, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more educational video, and also share with your friends. So we see you guys in the next video. Bye.